Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to get smoother skin. I'm going to give you my 3 tips on how I think you can achieve that. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. And hey, if we haven't met yet, my name is Holly Carter. I've been in the skincare business for 27 years and I love helping busy people navigate the skincare and makeup world. So number 3 is going to be microdermabrasion. So if you don't know anything about microdermabrasion, you can do it at the dermatologist or you can buy an over-the-counter product. And it's kind of like sandblasting your skin. So you have to be careful with it, but it will do a good job. It can cause damage to your skin, but it will remove the top layer of skin to help reveal the younger looking skin. It will help minimize your pores. It will help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it's just a great way to, achieve that. The number 2 product I think you can try is an alpha hydroxy acid or a glycolic peel. It's also the same thing. So it's a chemical peel and it's going to be gentler than a microdermabrasion. It will help get rid of the top layer of skin and it will reduce the appearance of fine lines. It will help brighten your skin. Same things that the microdermabrasion, but it will be gentler. So if you're sensitive, that is the product that you should try. The last one that is definitely the best one is going to be a retinol product. So try a medical grade retinol and make sure you follow the directions. But retinol is going to take off the top layer of skin, but what it does is it tricks the body into going into repair mode. So it will penetrate the top layer and then go down to the bottom layer to help reveal the younger looking cells. It will also help brighten your skin. It'll help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it will help get rid of the dark spots. So those are my 3 tips. Please subscribe to my channel below and share with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.